Welcome to your weekly dose of education with Mr. Minute. Today, we take you on a journey through the history of stock markets, where money meets ambition and fortunes are made and lost. Our story begins in the 17th century with the Dutch East India Company, the first company to issue stocks and bonds to the general public, creating the world's first official stock exchange. This revolutionary idea allowed investors to own a share of the company and its profits, fueling the age of exploration and international trade. As commerce flourished, stock exchanges emerged in London and New York, becoming powerhouses of capital and innovation. The Industrial Revolution accelerated growth, with railways, steel, and banking stocks dominating the markets, transforming economies and societies. In the 20th and 21st centuries, stock markets have evolved with technology. From ticker tapes to digital trading, the pace is faster than ever. While markets have seen crashes and booms, like in 1929 or the dot-com bubble, they've become integral to our global economy, influencing every aspect of our financial lives. From their humble beginnings to their current status as global powerhouses, the stock market continues to fascinate and challenge investors and traders alike. Thank you for exploring the history of stock markets with us. For more insights into the financial world, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.